Yo, guys, a smile, brother. It's a great day. Great things. And welcome to the YG Nature Life channel. Yes, you see, Kartel is free. He's a free man. Everybody has a free world boss. Now his world boss is free. But I feel a long time. Over 1 month now. July 31st. Kartel free. And a few days ago, he made his first music video since he got free. So it's a reaction to that today. Vybz Kartel. What's the song name? Let's see. So as you can see, I searched Vybz Kartel. First song that come up, the Comet. 5 days ago. What? Gone fast. Let's press on and see. See, I'm gonna eat up your food. Just done. Great Ethiopia food. So I'm going for this. Free world boss. Free world boss. Yeah, man. Comet is coming. Imagine the first music video.
Space up to the time. The teacher. Yeah. All in a prison, me I make millions, me I talk about US dollar nigga. I bag a big sound, watch the fever. It's a gold and it's a silver. Me for through the prison grill. Me through the prison grill. What up the middle finger, then me dig it out hard with the timber. Forget the in your city that a couple million US dollars and it cannot fit in your belly. The DJ them will never want people see me. Pussy one nice. Never want the judge free. But from the microphone you get if you see me. Who no career cut shot like Nicki Minnie. You even gritty like my daughter. Come here pretty pretty. Hadi the original, the rest of them are in me. Prison they not but out a road the heat worse. Me have me one opinion.
I knew I used this. Kartel, set train man.
Make up me t-shirt. Remember say I one burn a me turn. When me fiddle, let go her and keep her. Yeah, controversy start from the teacher return.
Yo, when you think about Kartel and wife, for me, man can do better one. But guess what? There's a reason why he's with this one. If you know, leave in the comments why he's with this girl. She's from Turkey or something. She probably born in London, but she Turkish, you know. But I'm saying all these nice African women, all these nice Jamaican women, and go to the next nation. I don't know. And for me, you can do better, but I can't tell life. Comet. What does that mean?
I'm in a prison, me I make millions, me I talk about US dollar nigga. I bag a big sound.
What does the Comet mean?
It's a gold and it's a silver. The prison grill. Me through the prison.
It's me part the word there.
Me middle finger, then me
dig it out hard
with the timber. Forget the in your city that a couple million US dollars and it cannot fit in your belly. The DJ them will never want people see me. Who never want the judge free. But from me touch the microphone you get if you see me. Who no career cut shot like Nicki Minnie. You even gritty like my daughter. Come here pretty pretty. Hadi the original, the rest of them are in me. That the Comet is coming. That the Comet is coming. That the Comet is coming.
To me, you see, without the music video, this song would not be as good. Kartel make way better song than this. He needs to go with his old style, 2000 style. Not 2000, but 2000s, you get me? Alright. Even before I go to prison, make good song. Alright, you see like here? If I go back, you see summertime. If I think I load, I just listen to summertime. Way better song.
Yeah, Nicole, I gonna love this, you know. Pool party. If I even
Alright. Yes, sir. So that is Vybz Kartel, the Comet. His first music video since him get free from prison. You see, he's an innocent man, but he is 13 years in jail and you're innocent. There must be some compensation or something. But like, he was still making music in prison, so maybe that's his compensation. Like you said in the video, he still make millions while he's in there, so let's give thanks. So leave in the comments what you think. Send some song, type in some song you want me to react to next, and yes, give thanks.